need to free up the space in my phone just to show him a pic of you. If we get distant, I know I got something that I can just hold him to. We'll surely be losing our heads, forget our plans, the moments we had. That picture must save it all.